Okay.
Okay.
We're good.
All right. So my husband and I had a baby, and I worked an hour away from our old house, so we really wanted to move closer to my office and to something bigger. And he knew Gail and Mark from before, and so we decided to work with them. And I am not good with really big financial transactions. They make me incredibly nervous. When we bought the first house, I was a wreck. It was not good. So I was really grateful because Mark and Gail we went through everything from start to finish. Gail came to our house and looked at it to make sure we were setting it up the way it needed to be sold. It went on the market at a not great time in the economy, but it was sold in less than a month, under contract and done. And I was thrilled because I didn't have to be up nights worrying about who was going to buy our house and just looking at showings and any of that kind of stuff, which is hard with a kid. And then they found us. Mark found us this incredible house exactly in the neighborhood we wanted to be in, close to my work, but not so far away that it was too far away from my husband's work. It's perfect. It fits everything. They asked us what we wanted, what we didn't want. They listened, they took notes. They led us through the whole thing from start to finish, and I would use them again in a heartbeat. It made it so much easier, alleviated so much stress from us, which, you have enough stress when you have a job and a marriage and a house and a kid and everything else. You don't need any more. And they took all that off us, and I'm so grateful.